We slept in one world and woke up in other. Suddenly we realized that money is not so powerful and power is not that valuable. Not visiting to the parents and grandparents became an act of love. Why is everything so uncertain in this world? ना मैं जानती हूँ ना आप लोग जानते हैं. But I do know one thing. We do not need to focus on the uncertainties. We need to enjoy our life with our family at this time. This situation has taught us that everything is so temporary. In this world, nothing is permanent. Like work, mall, gyms, movie theater, parlor, everything is temporary. पहले हम सोचते थे अगर मॉल्स बंद हो जाएंगे, जिम बंद हो जाएंगे, मूवी थिएटर बंद हो जाएंगे तो हम कैसे जी सकते हैं. लेकिन इस सिचुएशन ने हमें इन सब के बिना जीना सिखा दिया है. दिस सिचुएशन हैज़ टोट अस दैट इट इज़ द ओनली आवर फैमिली दैट कीप्स अस सेफ. इट इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम अपना टाइम कैसे स्पेंड करते हैं. व्हाट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम अपना टाइम किसके साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, अपनी फैमिली के साथ. वी यूज टू बी सो कंज्यूम्ड इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ्स दैट वी वर नेवर रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट वी हैड. बट नाउ वी हैव रिसीव्ड रिमाइंडर्स. वी डोंट नीड टू कीप रनिंग एनी मोर. Now we can finally look in ourselves. We can connect with our soul. It's like that universe is giving us the opportunity to heal, to spend some time with your near and dear ones. So use this time. I don't know when this will end. No one does. But I do know one thing, that one day it will end. And that day we will look back what we have gone through, what we have learned, how we survived. We saw humanity at its best, and this situation brought us all together like never before. I know it can be extremely hard for everyone to be positive and optimistic at this time, but we still have a choice. Either we can spread fear or we can be a light in the darkness that everyone wants to see at this time. And still, if you don't have any rays of hope in your mind, in your body, then just do one thing. Stand in front of a mirror. Stare it little harder. Then you will feel, you will see something inside you that still has faith, still has rays of hope, and still has humanity in this pandemic situation. Stay safe and have faith. Stay safe and have faith. Have faith that it will end one day. एक दिन फिर से स्कूल खुलेंगे, फिर से सभी बच्चे और टीचर्स एक साथ पढ़ेंगे, हम सब एक साथ लंच करेंगे, सभी बच्चे स्कूल के प्लेग्राउंड में खेलेंगे. एक दिन सब वापस वैसा ही हो जाएगा.